Hello friends. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1, powered by a reliable and efficient processor, has 8GB of RAM. It offers seamless multitasking and efficient application handling. The 256GB storage capacity provides ample space for your files and data. Visuals are clear, supported by the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, which also allow for light gaming and multimedia tasks. Its elegant grey finish adds a modern and stylish touch to its appearance, making it a sleek addition to your tech collection. It has Windows 11 operating system. Processor is Intel. Version is Core i3-1215U. Wi-Fi is 11AC2x2. Bluetooth is 5.0. It comes with a charger, USB cable and a user manual. It's always better to go through the user manual before first start. Its HDMI is 1x HDMI 1.4b. USB is 1x USB 2.0, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 1. Web camera is HD 720p with privacy shutter. Screen size is 15.6 inches. Resolution is 1920 x 1080 pixels. Dimensions is 360.2 by 236 by 17.9 mm. Log in to the window by providing all your personal details, and you need to create an account online for Lenovo. To create a Lenovo account online, you need to choose the main use of the laptop, that is personal, gaming, work and education. You choose according to your use. I will go for personal use. Registering your Lenovo device will save you time when you need support and will give you a better service experience with Lenovo. Registration takes just a few minutes. Lenovo ID provides you access to everything Lenovo with one username and password. This includes Shop Lenovo, www.lenovo.com, interact with others in the Lenovo forums, forums.lenovo.com, log into exclusive Lenovo apps, and more. It is Lenovo Identity Advisor, which is powered by Norton. It will ask for scan alert and restore. You can sign up in Lenovo account after giving personal details and creating username and password. Once the Lenovo ID is created, you can also delete it if you want. To delete your Lenovo ID, you need to go to Settings, then Accounts. Touch the account name. Touch Remove Account. Now your laptop is ready to use. But before that, you need to log into email. Lenovo is using inbuilt Edge with Bing on it, straight out of the box. You can add different browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, etc. I am using Gmail, and I will guide you how to open Gmail account without even downloading Google into your laptop. Search for Gmail login from your browser. You can search for either Google Chrome or Google search engine as per your requirements. In both the cases, you can create Gmail account. Here I am searching for Google Chrome. Now in the Google Chrome, search for Gmail login if you have previous Gmail account, or click on Sign Up to create a new Gmail account. Once email is created, your laptop is ready to use. You can also check for system specifications from the below mentioned steps. Go to Settings, in the Settings search bar type for device specifications. Here you can find processor type, specifications, storage, product ID, device ID, memory, graphics, display, etc. You can also search for device specifications online. For that, go to http://tref.lenovo.com, enter the product name. Or system machine type, machine number, product number, then search. Or go to Select menu on the left panel, click Lenovo Products, then navigate to the specific product model. The specification table will be listed. You can also check and search for available storage capacity of the laptop. For that, go to Settings, then on System, select Storage. You will come to know the available storage left and storage used. You can also upgrade beyond the 16GB, 8GB soldered plus 8GB SODIMM RAM. The system will still utilize dual channel for the first 16GB, and the remaining memory will operate in single channel mode. Do you know IdeaPad 1 is a Gen 7 as you watch shows on an expansive up to 15.6-inch FHD display with a razor-thin frame? Listen to rich audio from stereo Dolby audio speakers. Enjoy clear video calls on its HD webcam, which offers a privacy shutter that blocks unintended onlookers. Now I will show you the system speed as my laptop is connected to Wi-Fi. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1i has a good touchscreen display, fast performance, and affordable price. It has also got 256GB SSD for ample storage and the long battery life. But it would be better if had more better in terms graphics and camera quality. Overall, the laptop's performance and value for everyday tasks, schoolwork, and basic business needs is good for this budget-friendly laptop. Hope you find this video helpful and got better idea about Lenovo IdeaPad 1i. Please go through all this before you buy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.